Снова привет, мы продолжаем.
That ain't I, cowboy. Get my boy sucked from his toothless gums. Fuck you, Trevor. Oh, I still love her. All right, cowboy. Hey, I know. Hey, come on.
I don't know nothing by a mess.
I know.
Messed.
I know, cowboy. It's okay, man. Fucking shit! Cut! Who the fuck are you speaking to? Who? I'm talking to you, huh? Fuck! Johnny! Next time, don't get in my fucking face! I just saw a fucking ghost and I gotta hear your crap! Get up! Get up! Fuck you then!
Wait.
Fuck! Now, we gotta speak to Johnny's recently bereaved brothers.
Куда я? Вот это был мистер Филлипс. Ого.
Wait! This ghost I saw. His name is Michael Townley. Sounds like he's living in Los Santos. Find him.
Really? Really? My cousin's there, but I don't...
Find him! Wait!
Does this mean I don't have to come see the bikers?
We're in a hurry, but not that much of a hurry.
But if we bury Johnny in the desert and then quiet down that bitch Ashley he was in, then they don't need to find out about it.
You think it's clever to disrespect women?
Disrespect? What? I wasn't disrespecting. I was just saying we should kill her.
You called her a bitch! Ain't you got a mother?
Everyone got mothers. At least
Дебил. Хотя, с одной стороны, пусть одно я соответственно, но я дебил.
The bikers are meant to be over by the farm on the right. Hey, you seen Ashley? Johnny's looking for her.
Well, you know, as a matter of fact, I just did, just 10 minutes ago. Yeah, I saw her on the end of this penis here.
Johnny ain't gonna be cool if you messing with her again.
Oh, really? Well, you don't think so, huh? Well, why don't we just ask him then, huh? Hey, cowboy! You mind?
Так, секундочку, у меня разряжена батарейка. Фак. Так, я думаю, что надо поменять просто джойстики. Отключить контроллер. Вот второй. Во! Аллилуйя.
Did I fuck your old lady? Sorry. What was that? Well, no, you don't mind? Oh, because you're a dead man? And the only sentient part of you left is this little bit of brain and the gristle on the end of my boot? Well, thank you very much, cowboy. Bullshit! Oh, I like it, denial. That is first part of the grieving process, brothers. Now let's all hold hands, huh? Oh, looks like you got something you want to say, huh? You got something you need to say?
This better be bullshit.
Oh, where are you guys going, huh? Let's go, ladies. If that van takes us back to the camp, this area ain't gonna have a biker problem much longer.
Мне кажется, что сейчас мы Тревор их всех
The
убьем.
van's got a pass, but the guys on bikes can go.
Did you see the look on their faces?
We scared them, didn't we?
Yeah, thank fuck they didn't make you for the harmless idiots you are.
You need some seatbelts back here, or straps or something.
I only keep things in the back I don't mind losing.
Oh.
Стрелять я не буду. Это мне патроны нужны.
Gotta slow it up, man. That's a sharp left.
Воу.
time will soon be upon them.
You letting him go on purpose, Trevor?
Блин, я ее так сильно раздолбашу, что она даже теперь ездить не может. То ее клонит то вправо, то влево. Больше всего вправо.
You keep left. We might be able to jump across there.
А где Ллойд?
I'm sure there's a reason you're giving him all the space.
We'll go faster if you jump overboard, friend. In, now!
Oh, what the heck is wrong?
Where are you gone, Buster?
Переиграть задание? Что это значит? Это все заново начать? Давайте нажмем на переиграть. Нет!
Back to the rest of them. Then the Lost MC are out of this region for good.
What?
You can't fuck with the band, but we can drop those bikers.
Did you see the look on their faces?
We scared them, didn't we?
Yeah, thank fuck they didn't make you the harmless idiots you are.
You need some seatbelts back here, or straps or something.
I only keep things in the back I don't mind losing.
Oh.
Sharp left! Slow it down!
Ow.
Down he fell! They're on too! I can't see us taking out all the bikers this go, boss! I mean, there'll be some by the airstrip, some over, by the...
If not today, their time will soon be upon them.
Aren't we meant to be letting the band run? If we go off the side on the left there, we should make it across.
No!
There's the other one.
Okay, now we follow the van back. Next time you fall, make sure you die.
Дебил.
You motherfucker! There been a change of plan?
Shut down, lost.
Блин! Представь, я не могу это пройти уже со второго раза.
If that van takes us back to the camp, this area ain't gonna have a biker problem much longer.
Okay.
The van's got a pass, but the guys on bikes can go.
Did you see the look on their faces?
We scared them, didn't we?
Hey there!
If we lose these pricks because of you,
They're way out front.
you're trying my patience.
You need some seatbelts back here, or straps or something.
I can't see us taking out all the... You got him! You see that coming? Taking out all the bikers disco, boss!
Этот дебил меня уже бесит.
Get it!
You think they sabotaged this truck?
I don't want to hear another beat!
Gaga!
You keep left. We might be able to jump across there. Idiots!
Whoa!
Which of you tweaked out imbeciles wants to kill some bikers?
I got that thing with the finding and
No.
coast and...
You know I'm not that good with
Oh, I guess it falls to me then.
Are we still after him?
Ron, shut it! Come on, come on! That's it, you found it!
Careful, Trevor.
Now!
Whoa! No!
Please. Вообще вот с другой стороны сядет.
Where are you gone?
Блин. Капец. Пропуск. Пропусти этот радио, да. Блин. Сори, это не я, просто я дебил. Такое легкое место не могу пройти. Первые 2 раза я старался. В следующий раз уже я хотел быстро все пройти. Прячемся. А против кого можно?
Step right up! Step right up! Boss, get back now! This is hard for me too! I've had to kill half the tweakers in the county!
О, дробаш!
You forget how to use your horn? Have some respect for pedestrians! That's what happens to restless drivers! Assholes!
О. А куда мне спрятаться-то? Если с 2 сторон идут.
This is hard for me too! I've had to kill half the tweakers in the county! Understand your pain, friend! I'm here to offer a way out! Fuck Wiping out my whole customer base! Right at me!
Воу! Фак! Нифига себе!
Just an accident waiting to happen. On our bikes, are we? This is hard for me too. I've had to kill half the tweakers in the county. getting exciting!
Go back!
Надо вернуться как мажорик. Блин, я хочу покататься на таком байке. Обидно.
Wait!
What are you still doing here? You used to...
I said go find a fucking ghost in
Скажи,
Los
ищи
Santos, alright? You
долбаного
looking for
призрака.
motivation? Oh, yeah, pick me up some sticky bugs.
Фак его. Подожди. Мы едем ко своему дому? Или нет?
Ortega lives near here. Let's go see him.
It's one thing messing with tweaked out bikers, but the Aztecas, man.
The Aztecas. It's just a name. Is he Illuminati as well? Anunnaki? Not one of the lizard people?
I got this Chinese contact you can meet at the end. He'll buy all the meth we can cook.
Our enterprise ain't just about meth. It's about guns, too. The Aztecas control the guns, so we're taking them out. Come on, come on, come on!
What the fuck, Trevor?
This is the fuck, my soggy friend. You are out of business. The Lost MC are out of business. The guns and crank in this area go through Trevor Phillips Enterprise, or they ain't going.
Saying something don't make it true.
Oh, shit! You get the picture.
The shot callers ain't gonna be happy. I think he gets it. The Aztecas is an international enterprise. You sure you want to do this? I thought you was crazy, man, not stupid. Think about it. They're gonna greenlight you after this.
Oh, that feels better!
You sure mean business, Steve. Let's get out of here, man. Quick.
Давайте зайдем к его дому. Где его труп?
This is an unprecedented turn of events.
I always said I was gonna take over.
People say all kinds of stuff when they're 3 days into a smoking party.
You calling me a bullshitter, friend?
Clearly not. No way. You're a man of your word, as evidenced by said events.
If I say something is going to happen, it's going to. Maybe not today or tomorrow, but as soon as the moment is opportune.
Understood. Yes, sir.
If I say I'm fucking dead, then fucking dead I am. I'm not gonna raise my balding head on a beach in 10 years' time saying,
All is well. Is this about the ghost?
Michael fucking Townley, yes it is.
Well, you told me about him. Your old running buddy. And who was the other one?
Brad was the other one. Locked up in a federal penitentiary. Locked up in a federal penitentiary. When he finds out Michael survived that job.
Yeah. What do you think happened?
I knew what happened. I wouldn't be bemoaning these last 10 years I've spent in ignorance.
Some say ignorance is bliss.
For a man with an interest, some may say obsession, with the secret truth kept hidden behind historical events, that's a really weird thing to say.
I was trying to console you.
I don't need consolation. I need answers from that fat chump. Get out of the car, Ron. Need time to think. Run!
Так, это нора Тревора. Посмотрим. А это срака моя фра Тревора. Моя фра Тревора. Это диван. Труселя.
Speak!
You know I don't like using these things. They're listening.
Then make it quick.
That business thing's been set up. The Chinese guy, Mr. Chang, is at the inn.
You said that on the phone? What the fuck is wrong with you, damn it, Ron? Now I'm gonna have to discipline you, and you know how I feel about that.
Пивасик Тревора. DVD. Телевизор. Так, давайте пойдем, где он спит. Нифига себе. Итак, с вами был Чиполлино. Всем удачи и пока.